Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. So this is Saturday morning in my life. Okay, so this morning, the kids are not going to school, so I decided to make different breakfasts from what they are normally take to school. So today I will be frying plantain uh, with fried egg and the pap. So that is what we will be having for breakfast today. So join me in the kitchen. Let's do this breakfast together. So in here I am done frying the plantain. You can see me put kettle on fire. So here I'm trying to mix pap. You can see that this pap is already done and it is looking so good. So I'm going to proceed in slicing tomatoes that I will be using to fry the egg. So in here I'm done slicing tomatoes. So this is another successful evening in my life, and today's we're going to be having a fish jollof rice. Okay, so join me as I'm about to make this fish jollof rice. I'm going to be using carrots, cabbage, okay, and tomatoes to make this. Yeah, so I've already finished cooking the fish, boil the fish. Okay, so the rice is already on fire, so I'm going to come in with carrots now so that it can soften a bit, so that it won't be that strong for the kids to eat it. So after that I'm going to come in with cabbage. Yeah, so join me. Okay.
Chimaobi, Chimaobi, come here. Why did you remove your slippers? Huh? I'm talking to you. Chimaobi, why did you remove your slippers? Where is the slippers? Bring it. Why did you remove? Go and bring your slippers. Why did you remove it? Where is one? Where is one? Where? Come bring it. Come bring it. Under the chair. Bring it. Bring it and wait. I'm following you. Bring it where you're going. Cook and pack my kids' lunch with me. So in this video I'll be telling you my honest truth about motherhood. So mothers, try to explain to your girls' children what they are going to be facing in marriage. It's not all about Chika, Chioma, you are at the age of getting married, bring husband. No. Trying to tell them what they are going to be facing. Okay, so let me talk about myself at this point. So you look at my color very well. This is not my original color. When I gave birth to my first baby, my color dropped. I gave birth to my second, it drops. I gave birth to my third baby, the color disappear. I became dark. Like, this is not my original color. Okay, let me talk about sleeping aspects. It says sleep. Before, when I was single, I used to sleep, I used to wake up around 8 a.m 9 a.m, but now I hardly remember when I wake up. Last time I wake up around 8 a.m, instead 5 a.m, 6 a.m, 5:30 a.m. So that is it. Motherhood is not a child play, but let me tell you, marriage is a blessing. Marriage is sweet. Motherhood is also sweet. It's sweet, but it is not easy. So it is better you explain to your girls children very well, so that when they go, they will know what they are about to face. Thank you for watching. Bye.